Okay, good morning, everyone. Welcome to another one of these morning Bitcoin updates for you all. Today is Monday, the 12th of April, 2021, and Bitcoin last night closed its highest ever weekly candle yet again. So I'm going to keep this one short and sweet this morning. Everything is very simple, and I think we just need to wait now to see which direction the trend may go for this week. So everything so far looks very good for more upside. It's how it's been all year basically. We're just trending upwards, and so far there's no reason for us to think that this isn't going to continue higher. Whether that's now or whether that's after making another retracement, we don't know. But yeah, we'll have to go more into our levels for that. So let's go down. We've got our all-time high marked here, 62k, very easy. Let's bring up some levels. So key levels we're looking at. So our daily open today, $60,000 and $16, but yeah, 60k. That will be key support today, and we're still working on these. So our daily close from back on the daily close from the 13th of March, and obviously we've got the all-time high above us, but in terms of resistance, these are the only two important ones on the chart for me. So what's been happening? We'll have to go into a lower time frame and have a look. Okay, so last night I updated people briefly in our Discord. I'll bring that up on the screen in a minute. I was kind of hoping, but not expecting, that we might get another small retrace, possibly to take these lows, go into some areas of support before making this move higher. But really what it's done is we had a really nice correction here. It created this created this nice little kind of rounded bottom here going on, and yeah, it's just been moving up from there really, into our resistance again. So you can see here that it was at this kind of time last night that there was an attempt higher on the daily open. It got pushed back down, and I was then looking possibly for this to break down, either maybe to our monthly open weekly level down here, or we could have come down a little bit further, and we had some confluence in the 58k region as well. But it didn't. We got a really nice bounce there afterwards, and this previous resistance turned into support, and it moved on to the next level. So at the moment, this could have been a nice short if you're awake for that. You're not going to get many more opportunities to short this level by the look of things. It's clearly resistance, and the last time we hit it, we had a really nice move down there, so that would have been a very nice short if you did take that. Today we'll just have to see what happens. This now has formed some resistance, which we didn't have previously. So this was just such a big move up that it was very easy to move back down. This has been consolidating nicely over the weekend, so it's going to be a lot harder to break down than it was over the weekend. So I think for me at the moment, I would expect that this would have another test up here. I don't think we're just going to come straight back down. I think at least it's going to attempt these levels again. Whether it can break through this time, whether it can start to form some kind of pattern, and then make that move higher to go on and test these all-time highs. That'd be nice to see. Or we might come up, we might get a rejection, change market structure, and then we can start looking at these lower targets down here. So at the moment, I'm just waiting. I'm in a long still. I've been in a long for like a week now, I guess. I've just been taking profit. So again, these are take profit levels for me, and I have been looking to compound wherever I see fit, really. So I was compounding my long down here, and I was going to buy again. I did have some alerts set for 59k and 58k, around that region, if we did go back down there. That hasn't happened, but still in profit, and this is still going really nicely. And we do need to think now that everything looks very healthy for the time being, and we could be seeing much higher prices. Is there anything else? So we do have, if we do take this as our local high here, then we will have support coming down in the same area basically that we were at over the weekend, which would be quite nice. I've not looked at any order blocks yet. Trendline support, yeah, it's all looks good. So these are the kind of setups that I was looking for yesterday. So I was thinking if we got a move down overnight, then that could potentially give us a nice long into a short, into a long, and then look for all-time highs again after that. But yeah, these clearly now aren't going to work. So we might still get a chance to trade these levels, but it won't be the same like triple setup as what these were anymore. Okay, so yeah, I think, to be honest, that covers Bitcoin. It's really just a matter of waiting to see whether this can get continuation now, or whether we do get a larger rejection. The short was up here, so unless we're going to, if we do come back, then that could be a short, which you could, yeah, it's quite a nice invalidation actually on this one as well. So you really don't want to be taking this too many times though, because the amount of times we've hit it, yeah, it is going to be getting weaker each time. But if you still want to short this level, and you still do think we're going to be seeing lower prices, then there are trade setups to be had here. There currently isn't really a long. Right now, if you're not in a long position, you're going to have to trade a breakout, and that's, yeah, very risky. So we just need to wait. If you're not in a long position, just ride spot, or just wait for our next opportunity, really. Yeah, there is really nice confluence down here if we do end up getting a move down. So this is our range, and yeah, around our monthly open is really nice. We'll see if it happens. That is where there is a CME gap just below. Cool. All right. So yeah, the other thing I will go over very quickly is, for anyone that is in the Discord, let's just pull that up here. I have started creating these, so every day I'm going to make a daily update sheet. So this will give you your daily open, your previous day value areas, the range that we're in, the trend, key levels from a horizontal support and resistance level to be looking at, our local 618s, our global 618s, naked point of controls, all of these nice kind of things, which just give you some very easy levels to work your, I guess, trading plans off of. I'm going to be adapting this slightly because, in all honesty, this is yeah, I was making this kind of based off of like much earlier in the year, when our EMAs and things, I used to look at those. I don't really look at them very much anymore. There are much more important things, I think, to look at. So I'll be adapting this slightly over the next few days, but for now it's yeah, just a nice little sheet for everyone to look at. So if you are not in our Discord already, come and join us. There is a link in the description below. We're a lovely, friendly community. You can see people here are giving some nice ideas. So yeah, it looks like we had some people here get into short positions, which is good. You can see all of our Bitcoin technical analysis here. Yes, we got our first weekly close above 59k today. Here are our CME gaps. Here were some scenarios if it did break down last night, which it didn't. So we're not looking at these anymore. Yeah, come and join us. Okay. Anything else? Again, Ethereum's just doing what Bitcoin's doing. It's in a range and it's working on all-time highs, the same as Bitcoin. Litecoin, yeah, again, a bit of nothingness. Now we're back in this range. I've explained why I like this monthly level as well. Yeah, and let's have a very quick look before I end this video. I do want to keep it short this morning at what is moving. Yeah, okay, BNB is just continuing to just rip. That's great. BNB holders should be very happy right now. It's price discovery. Yeah, we'll just see how high this can go. Obviously that $500 level was resistance for a while. We're through that, and yeah, it's anyone's guess of how high this could go at this point. Like, I wouldn't be surprised at all to see BNB like hit $1,000 at some point this bull run. I don't really know what these are that are moving as well today. Anything that's having a nice move down, so we can look into support. So yeah, I'll go over what's in the chat. Again, there's too much really to be looking at. Cool. Yep, I think that will do. Just if you're in a long position, just relax, enjoy, see what happens. This is a take profit area, so if you haven't taken profit on a long yet, then I would say it's probably a good idea to do so in this area here, and especially if we do start going up to all-time high, you do need to be paying yourself. But yeah, I don't see the need yet to be rushing into any short positions unless they're scalps. So you could scalp this level, or you could look to trade it down here with an invalidation. It's valid. No, not financial advice. I personally am not going to be taking any shorts on this today, and I probably not going to open up any other trades today. I think it's just a wait and see kind of day, and I will be updating everyone as price happens. Yeah, I really don't know what else to say on the chart now, so I'm going to leave it there, and I will see you all in the chat. Bye.